In this lecture, we're going to install ASP.NET Core for Mac OS X. So I'm right here at microsoft.com/netcore/Mac OS X. And as you can see right here, this teaches you how to install ASP.NET Core for Mac OS X. The first thing that you need to install is Homebrew. So you would come over here and click this link right here. And once you do that, you'll copy this terminal associated right there, paste it into your terminal. Press enter, and this is going to install Homebrew for your Mac OS X device. And as you can see right here, it's the missing package manager for OS X. So once we install Homebrew, then we want to run the commands associated over here. So we can do brew update, brew install OpenSSL, which I've already done. And then once you do that, then you can implement right here associated with OpenSSL the user local in your library. So this installs OpenSSL right here. So you can copy all of these commands into one shot, and that should be able to implement the update for brew, the OpenSSL installation, and then associating that OpenSSL installation for your specific profile as well. And once we have that, we should be ready to go. And right there, it's given some information about this. The file already exists, and we already have it installed. Then we're going to come down here and install the SDK. You can click right here, which I've already done. So I'll come over here, and I'll double-click that just to save time. And then right now, I'm installing the .NET Core CLI. We're saying we want it in English. We want to agree. We'll say continue. Install. And then it's going to ask for the local profile here. Password. Now we've installed the .NET Core CLI and the SDK preview too. So right here, let's press close. So let's go down here once we installed all that and say .NET. And let's see if we get anything running here. And as you can see right here, we have the .NET CLI installed. And you can see the .NET CLI commands, which preview version it is, and you can see right here what are the different commands to associate with this. So it's very simple to install ASP.NET Core on Mac OS X. It's a little more simplistic to install it on Mac OS X than it is on Linux, but it's pretty simple from here. In the next lecture, we will actually install Yeoman Node.js on our Mac OS X device. It's as simple as we did in the previous lecture to associate with Linux, but I'm just going to walk you through this process so you have an idea on how to implement this on Mac OS X.